Traffic tunneling refers to encapsulating one type of network protocol within another to bypass security measures or restrictions, hide the nature of the traffic, or create secure communication channels. Tunneling can be used for both legitimate and malicious purposes. In the context of cybersecurity, understanding tunneling methods can be vital for network security professionals to detect and mitigate unwanted or hidden traffic. Here's an example of a traffic tunneling script written in Python. This script sets up a basic TCP tunnel, forwarding traffic between a client and a server. It could be expanded upon to include encryption, authentication, or other features. Here's an explanation of the code. Function forward_data. This function takes two socket objects and forwards data from one to the other. It runs in a loop, receiving data from the source socket and sending it to the destination socket until the connection is closed. Function handle_client. This function handles individual client connections. It connects to the remote server and then starts two threads to forward data between the client and server. Function main. This function sets up the local socket to listen for incoming connections on port 8080. When a connection is accepted, it starts a new thread to handle that client using the handle_client function. Multi-threading. The script uses threads to handle multiple simultaneous connections and to forward data in both directions between the client and server. This script is a very basic example and lacks many features that would be necessary for a production tunneling system, such as encryption, authentication, error handling, and logging. It is intended as a starting point for understanding the concepts and mechanics of traffic tunneling. Again, please note that tunneling can be used in ways that violate terms of service, laws, or ethical guidelines. Always consult with legal and security professionals to ensure that your actions comply with all relevant regulations and ethical standards.